Putting a brake booster on, gotta re-thread a hole, boat won't start.
What color would you call this?
What?
What color would you call this?
Duct tape blue.
Duct tape blue.
Duct tape blue is what color it is. And if you don't
That was
think
just a
it's-
mock-up radiator, by the way. Just a mock-up. Oh. You didn't even have the new one up there yet. He just added that since yesterday.
Yeah, gotta redo the.
You'll probably put some different valve covers and stuff on that, won't you?
No. Look here, here's a piece of duct tape. Go around the other side.
Well, perfect.